Bago po ang lahat, gusto ko pong sabihin kay Senator Bato na AI po ako. Nakakatakot kasi baka ma-share din ako, tapos sabihin nila totoong tao ako.
Welcome back to the channel, Professor Jason X here, where I react to everything and anything. And in this video, I'm going to react to a viral video shared by Senator Bato de la Rosa and Davao City Mayor Sebastian Baste Duterte, kung saan doon sa video there was a student showing his support for Vice President Sara Duterte, but it turns out it was AI, artificial intelligence, for those who are not familiar with the nomenclature. So yan, so binabash sila ng mga tao ngayon for being irresponsible, damaging the public trust. So let's go.
Keyboard warrior, puro ka lang sige sa...
Wala naman problema siguro sa sa pag-share ng AI video in support of sa akin. Basta hindi ginagawang negosyo. Kung baga, if I were...
So I think caught off guard si Vice President when she was asked, baka hindi pa niya napanood yung full context ng video. I beg to disagree kasi the problem with sharing AI videos, particularly yung video na shinare, is that it was shared with the intent of it looking as if it was an actual video. Kung hindi pa siguro nagkaroon ng kung hindi pa siguro na point out ng mga tao na this was an AI video, they will just let it slide. Hayaan lang nila ito, particularly ma-share ni Senator Bato, ma-share ni Baste. It's as if it was an actual opinion by a real person, and that's where the line is drawn. Doon tayo nagkakaroon ng problema when you are using artificial intelligence to make it look like it is a factual event na ito ay nangyari.
Social media account owner, and gagawa ako ng AI to support a certain personality, walang problema doon kasi hindi ko naman siya ginagawang negosyo Hindi ko naman binibenta sa mga tao yung
I think dangerous yung mindset ni Vice President Sara that it's okay with her to use AI to make videos of people appearing as if they support a certain candidate. Ako, I really disagree with that. Sa ibang platforms like YouTube, merong disclosure na kailangan mong ilagay to show or to let people know na AI yung pinapanood nila. Sa Facebook, wala pang ganyan. In fact, ang dami mga sinishare na videos right now, although most of it are being used as memes or parang humor. Merong lola lumilipad sa outer space, merong mga Egyptians, nag-work sila and then nag-share sila ng mga katatawanan. So, wala akong problem kasi clearly you would know this is a meme. But if you are going to use AI to push out opinions or narratives supporting a certain candidate, dun medyo nakakatakot. And again, yung ganitong klaseng mindset ni VP Sara, for me, it's unacceptable.
I'm just guided by the Holy Spirit.
Holy Spirit! Wala Holy Spirit Holy Spirit ka agad
Sabi ko, kung AI man yan, may punto ang gumawa. Kung hindi yan AI, may punto ang mga bata na nagsasalita. Either way, the point is very clear and I agree with that point. Mali pa rin. mali pa rin.
Keyboard warrior, puro ka lang sige sa...
Dapat, ang ginawa po ninyo, Senator, naglagay kayo ng disclaimer na this video was made with AI. And bakit kailangan nyo pag gumamit ng artificial intelligence para mag-push out ng certain narratives? Ba't hindi na lang kayo mag-interview talaga ng mga bata kung ano yung opinion nila? So may makapture kayo doon na in support of Sara, then yun ang i-share ninyo. Ba't nyo pa kailangan gumawa ng artificial intelligence video? Okay? So yun yung stand ko dyan. Ngayon, as a teacher, of course, napakahalaga po para sa amin ng integrity. Kaya nga sa scholarly work, pagsasubmit ng assignments and projects, may plagiarism detection kami na ginagawa. May AI detection din kami na ginagawa. Kasi we don't want bad actors. We don't want students pretending that this is really their work or wala silang effort na in-exert hindi na sila nag-iisip, nawala na yung critical thinking na tinatawag natin. It's good that people nowadays can catch things like this online. So yun yung magandang part. The bad part is that sino pa yung mga high-ranking officials natin, those who should be setting the right example, sila pa yung nagde-defend ng mga ganitong klase ng mga kalokohan, ano? So, nevertheless, kayo guys, what do you think about the opinions of Senator? Put it down in the comments below. Let's have a respectful conversation. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.